ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ಇಲ್ಲಬೇಲೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ March 13, 2024, Class 6, Wednesday. Note, please practice and record video about the numbers. Submit the video in Flip app under your group. Here are the assignments in English. Number 1, my name is Hari. My brother is 3 years older than me. Number 2, I have music class at 6 p.m. on Friday evening. Number 3, we did our homework early and teacher gave us 10 pencils. Our family will have a big vacation in 2025. This is number 4. Is translation in Tulu. Number 1, Enna Pudar Hari. ಎನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣೆ ಎನ್ನಡ್ದು ಮೂಜಿ ವರ್ಷ ಮಲ್ಲೆ. ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಎನ್ನ ಸಂಗೀತ ಪಾಠ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದಾನಿ ಬೈಯಡ್ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಉಂಡು. ನಂಬರ್ 3, ಎಂಕುಲು ಇಲ್ಲಬೇಲೆ ಬೇಗ ಮಲ್ತಿನೈಕ್ ಕಲ್ಪಾದಿ 10 ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕೊರಿಯರು. ನಂಬರ್ 4, ಎಂಕ್ಲೆನ ಕುಟುಂಬ 2025 ವರ್ಷೋಡು ಮಲ್ಲ ತಿರ್ಗಾಟ ಮಲ್ಪುಂಡು. Here are the new words and their pronunciation and meaning. Big, malla. Brother, anna. Music, sangeeta. Class, paatha. Evening, bayya. Homework, illabele. Teacher, kalpadi. Family, kutumba. Year, varsha. Big, malla. Vacation, tirgata. Friday, shukravara or sukrara. Please submit your homework. You have a great day. Nigilna dina edda award.